Today, I, Rigun of class 8B from APS MS is going to tell you about my project on AI. First, let's see what is artificial intelligence, also known as AI. While a number of definitions of artificial intelligence (AI) have surfaced over the last 2 decades, John McCarthy offers the following definition in this 2004 paper. It is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. It is related to the similar task of using computers to understand human intelligence. But AI does not have to confine itself to methods that are biological observations. Decades before this definition, the birth of the artificial intelligence conversation was denoted by Alan Turing's seminal work, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, which was published in 1950. In this paper, Turing, often referred to the father of computer science, asked the following question: can machines think? From there, he offers a test, now famously known as the Turing test, where a human interrogator would try to distinguish between computer and human text response. While this test has undergone much scrutiny since its published, it remains an important part of the history of AI as well as an ongoing concept within philosophy as it utilizes ideas around linguistics. Now I'll tell you about my project. In my project, I have used variables, functions such as draw function to make my project. In variable, we have also used animation. As you can see here, I've used 6 animations to make my project. 3 background animations and 3 sprites as my characters. So you can see in my game, a creature touches Mickey and Minnie, it gains points, but when it touches Cruella, it loses points. As you can see here, if it doesn't make, but in my game, if it doesn't make more than 40 points in 15 seconds, it says game over. I'll show you that part as well. So as you can see, here my points are gaining and they also go in negatives. So now, as you can see, here comes game over. But if I make more than 40 points in 15 seconds, I'll go to the next stage where the speeds will be more. As you can see here, now I'm into the next stage and I can gain more points as well. The speeds are increasing. Now in the third stage, we have got the castle behind us, and if I lose,